Export and import data is a very essential task of DBA and developer. Since Oracle 10Z, Oracle has introduced the new version of export import based on data pump technology. Today we will try to do the basic command of export and import. First of all, we need to create the directory. This directory we will use to store export file. Now we go to account plus with the sysdba. We need to create a directory object in Oracle database. We can query from the view DBA directories to see all current directory in our database. We have some column like directory path, the location in our operation system. I try to write a simple script here to query. So I run that script. So you can see we have some existing directory here. Now I create a new one for this demonstration. The command should be create directory, the directory name. For Oracle, below older than TLC release 2, the directory name will be maximum of 30 character. For TLC release 2 and higher, we can create the directory name with a longer name. Now we create directory and point to our location on hard drive. The location on hard drive here, and directory object in Oracle here. So now we try to do export. In this demonstration, we will export the schema HR. The export command here. We can use the export with the normal user like HR. However, in this, I will try to log on with sysdba because we run this command in a command line, so we need to use the escape character before double quotation mark. Then we provide the directory here. Our directory is export demo. This means our DOM file will be stored in this location. I need to export the schema HR, so I specify the schema HR here. I name the export file they call dump file like this. I also need to store the information of export to the log file. Then I try to withdraw the log file name. So now we have dump file name, log file name, then we execute the export command. So the export is done. The dump file here in our directory. We can cd to the export directory and view the file here. The log file will show all information of export. So after we have the export dump file, so now we try to copy the export file to the taxi server. You can use any methods to copy file from the source server to the taxi server. For example, here I try to use scb command to copy this file to my taxi server. So now you can see the file already copied to the new server. Now we log on to the taxi server to do import. I log on to the server. So on the taxi server, we need to do the same with create the directory on the taxi server, point to the location of the dump file. So I go to AKL Plus. I use my script to show the directory. So I create a new directory. It's called import demo ace. Then point to the location of import file, the of export file. Now I run the import command. This is my import command. This import, and I connect with log on with sys expdp. My directory here. You can see import demo is the directory point to home Oracle import demo. Schema. It's not necessary to specify the schema here because in our export file we export only one HR directory, HR schema. So it's that parameter is not necessary in this situation. So now the dump file in our directory. And I also need to specify the log file name. From here, I need to change the SR schema to another name like copy of HR. So I use the parameter called remap schema to change the HR to copy HR. If you don't use a remap schema parameter, they will import the same schema name with the short when you do the export. Now the import command is complete. You can see the new schema import is called copy HR. So we change the HR to copy HR. Now it's time to check our result. We log on to account plus. Then we connect with the user HR. Then now is the new name is copy HR. And the password is copied from the short. We use the same password. Then we list the list of table in this schema. So you can see we have 7 tables here. Try to query from the countries. We have 25 rows in country table. If we go back to the import, we can see here the country 25 rows. So that's the look we are successfully to import. So that's the basic command with export and import.